loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about this new banging wig. This wig is perfect. It is the best wig for beginners. Well, you know what? Scratch that. This is a wig that everybody needs to have in their wig collection. If you want to know why I say this is the best wig for everybody, keep on watching. So the wig that I'm using today is from Hairvivi. This is what the package looks like. Kind of reminds me of like a Louis Vuitton packaging, right? With the bow, with the ribbon on the box. So the wig comes in the box, of course, then it comes with some sort of hair care instructions on how to properly care for your hair. Then it comes with a heavy duty comb, which I really do like. And it also comes with a stocking cap. They also included some hair clips as well as instructions on how to send the wig back if you don't like. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. Now the knots are 100% bleached. You do not have to worry about bleaching your knots on this wig. This wig also comes with an elastic band. I have a tutorial where I show you guys how to sew an elastic band on your wig. In this case, you don't have to do that. This also adds extra security to your wig just to make sure it doesn't come off. So it's sewed on the lace pretty good. As I mentioned, this wig comes pre-bleached, and look at that. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. Like, this is what you call pre-bleached in a pre-plucked hairline. Like, this wig is perfect. Everybody needs to have this wig. As you can see, the hairline looks good. I'm not going to go in and do any type of plucking because it's perfect. This is a wig that you can simply put on and go, and it gives such a natural look. The baby hairs are already cut, so you don't have to worry about cutting any baby hairs. Like, this is really, you know, that wig, you know, for real, for real. I'm not even gonna front. This is a nice wig. All you other wig companies out there who put, you know, pre-plucked hairline or pre-bleached knots, no. You need to step it up because this wig is what you call pre-bleached and pre-plucked for real. So I'm going to go ahead and braid. Well, I'm not going to do it because I don't know how to braid. But my friend is braiding the wig just to see how it looks if I decided to add some braids to a hairstyle. Wow, like I am really here for this whole natural looking wig. Like, this is a one-step wig for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. I love this elastic band. Like, I love that I don't have to sew this on the wig. And I like that it doesn't come with the hooks because the elastic bands do not stay on the wigs that have, you know, the hooks. So this is what the wig looks like with the hair being braided. I mean, I'm just here for it. Like, I am here for it. So next I want to just check out this hairline. Like, this hairline is really nice. I have not glued this wig down. Only thing I used was just the elastic band on the wig and the straps in the back. And the parting space on this wig is pretty good. You get about 4 inches of parting space. So only thing here I'm doing is just kind of figuring out what type of style I'm going to go for. I'm going to be using this flyaway tamer from My First Wig because I am out of my favorite wax stick, but this wax stick does the job. So I'm just going to put that on the hair to kind of smooth out the roots a little bit, and then I'm going to add some big curls to the hair. Okay, like, I gotta say this. I'm gonna need for all of my wigs from now on to come like this because I love this hairline. I love how natural it looks. I love that I did not have to do really anything to this wig beyond, you know, the whole styling. But, like, this is the perfect one-step go out the door wig, like for real. Really don't like the color, but hey, that's the easy fix. I can just dye this hair black, but it holds a curl like no other. I have worn this wig after this video. If you follow me on Snapchat, then you have seen this wig being black. I freaking love this wig. Like, you will not go wrong with getting this wig. This is like the perfect wig for everybody. So this is what the wig looks like after I am done styling it. Like, take a look at that hairline, honey. Girl, no plucking. Hairvivi did a great job on making this wig look so natural, and considering, you know, those who are new to wigs and may not know how to properly style their wigs to look natural. So I hope you guys get the opportunity to go out and purchase this wig. If you do, please come back on this video and let me know if you love it or if you hate it. Of course, all purchasing information will be below. Bye, guys.